Dash cam for car. For orders, please check video description. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 1440 pixel most 2K Ultra HD 24-hour monitoring parking monitoring. Okay, radar parking monitor. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 33% discount. Actual price $200, and after 33% discount, this is the discount price. Okay, 600 plus sold, 179 reviews. TiESFONG M10max 2K 1440 pixel dash cam for car, DVR 4 channel 360-degree camera, 24-hour parking monitor, GPS night vision, auto video recorder, 24 256 G max. Okay, now I share with you some picture about this product. First one is comparison some, and this is radar parking monitor and flexible rotation for channel recording. So thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description.